Welcome.
This video is to teach you how to archive using Unico UEdit Lite on the 2400 series drive.
To connect your drive to a computer, you will need a USB to Type A male to Type B male cable, a serial Cat5 shielded RJ45 to RJ45 cable, and a 1100 oscillated USB to RS422 adapter. This should all be included in your 714070 high-speed oscillated USB to RS422 adapter with Echo 3 megabytes per second RJ45 adapter kit. Attach your USB cable and your Cat5 cable to your adapter.
On the digital signal processor, known as the DSP module, you would need to plug your Cat5 cable into the RJ45 port, known as the download port. On the DSP module, it is labeled CON 19, meaning connection 19.
Plug the USB cable into your computer.
I will open my UEdit Lite version 4.13. You may have a different version, as there are various versions of UEdit. The newest release is version 4.13. After UEdit is open, go to Communication and Connect. You will have to select your setup for your Unico drives. My connection is COM4 baud rate 57600 ESP protocol. When you connect, it will always show you on the bottom right corner of UEdit that you are connected. It will show you the connection setup. At this point, you are only connected to the USB to RS422 adapter. Now you'll need to go to the Device Archive tab. It will look like a filing cabinet. You will choose a new archive and then select OK. Device 1 is Unico's default. You may have several different devices. If so, you may check all of your devices. Once you have selected the devices, then click the Next button. At this time, Unico UEdit will verify communication to each drive selected. UEdit will let you know if each drive is ready or not. UEdit will not allow you to proceed until all devices are ready. You can uncheck the devices that are not ready and then click Next. Once the device is ready, you can choose the ARX file or TXT file. I will choose the ARX file. By Unico default, there are certain data tables already preset. It is best to archive all the data table possible. You can select individual tables if desired. I will come to the black button. This checks all of your tables. Then go to Next. You will need to rename the device to match the machine of Unico drive is controlling, for example, top drive. Go to the Rename tab, then enter the new name in the blue box. After renaming the device, you can select under Units, Imperial or Metric. To do this, click the Change Unit button. This will bring a drop-down menu. You can select the correct archive format for your system. Once you have renamed the device and select the proper units for the device, you will need to go to the Browse button. Now you have to select where you want to store your archive. Then select Next, then Archive. You will have a window pop up. Click the OK button. You will have a window pop up that shows outline menus, events, original. The outline shows you drive tables, data tables, network maps, etc. The menu tab does not work as you do not have a UEdit project. The event tab shows you the false events. It is all date and time stamped. The original is the original format of the software. Go back to outline, go to drive tables. To search for a certain item, you would click on the data, then do Control F. I will enter current limit, find. It takes me to this value. Now we will do the TXT archive with UEdit. Now you will need to go to the device archive. It will look like a filing cabinet. You will create a new device archive, select OK. You may have several different devices. If so, you may check your devices. Once you have checked your devices, at this time go to Next. Unico UEdit will verify communication with each device. UEdit will not allow you to go further until all devices is ready. I will uncheck the devices that has communication timeout and go to Next. I will change from ARX to TXT. Again, Unico has default marks already. You may select all of them by the black button and check it selects all. Go to Next. Now you have to rename the device. Then you have to select your units by going to Change Units. Go to Browse. Next, Archive. The TXT archive is very quick. It takes approximately 1 to 3 minutes. When finished, you will have a green bar that tells you finish one device. Click OK. Have a pop-up window that shows the outlines, menus, events, and original. The outline tells you the data that has been taken, drive details, data tables, network map, event table, fault log, CS lost data, torque table. Menus is not used in the 2400 series as is not a UEdit project. Events will show you your faults and anything that has happened, production, etc. The original format, TXT. Go back to your outline, data tables. To search for a certain value that you want to check, you can Control F. So this is the TXT file, very simple, very quick, but it does not provide the data as the ARX file. We will now compare the ARX and the TXT. Okay, as you can see, drive tables on both, drive details, network maps, events, I/O. As you see, there's no I/O here. All event logs that we don't have on the TXT. This shows you everything that has been done and it's time stamped. Fault log, events only. I don't have none as there's been no events. Data change, system error, diagnostic, CS lost data, and torque table. This concludes the video. Thank you for your time.
For more information on this topic, please go to www.unicous.com